Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is Tech Talk guys. You guys know VR is a wonderful technology when you're using the right VR headset guys. On a personal level, you guys know I love VR. I love what VR can do and what VR has to offer for consumers. But I also have a lot of appreciation guys for VR companies like HTC, Facebook, and a lot of big companies out there making VR what it is today. So when HTC announced the Vive Flow last month, I was extremely excited guys. Even when I know on paper the Vive Flow was not looking good for consumer, I still decided to pre-order these glasses for you guys for two reasons. The first one, I wanted to try them for myself, and the second one, I wanted to have them to give you my honest opinion about them. So I have them with me today guys, and I'm gonna share my personal opinions, giving you guys some well feedback about these new glasses. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Welcome back to the channel guys, and to all my new subscribers today, thanks for subscribing to the channel. And if you are new here, my name is Jean and this is Tech Talk. Tech Talk is a channel where I share my personal opinion with you guys on tech on a weekly basis. So if you like what you see, or if you like what you hear today in this video, please consider subscribing guys, because your subscription will help the channel. Now let's get back to the Vive Flow. At the end of this video, I hope my opinion can help you have a better understanding of the Vive Flow. So let me start with the boxing guys, the packaging. So the packaging looks extremely good. HTC does a good job the way they actually store the headset inside the box. So what you got in there, you have a USB cable to connect it to your cell phone, and just so you know, you can only use your Android phones with the Vive Flow at this time. And you also have a small bag to protect the VR glasses when they are not being used. So after that, what you have the quick starting guide, and you have some safety manual stuff about the glasses just to make sure you keep everything safe. And overall, I think the packaging is nicely done. So the Vive Flow does feel light when you hold it in your hands. I wouldn't compare it to a normal pair of sunglasses, but they are light and very impressive when you think about this is a VR headset that you're holding in your hand. It does feel comfortable when you wear it. Like I said, it's extremely light, but if you move too much, it might start sliding a little bit off your face. Not to fall off, but it can slide a little bit. The Facepad does a good job to block off all the light from outside from distracting your VR experience. And to me, you can wear these things for a very long time. The screen looks sharp to me, and the ability to adjust the diopter knob to fit to your eyes is a big step forward for VR glasses, but I'm not impressed by the visual experience of the Vive Flow. And honestly guys, the experience does feel like a Samsung Gear VR experience. As you already know, the Vive Flow doesn't have a VR controller, so your cell phone is your controller guys. But it does work using your cell phone. I believe it does destroy the VR experience also. So my final opinion on the Vive Flow guys is this: the Vive Flow is a VR headset to me, and no matter what HTC calls it, it is a VR headset. The Vive Flow is one step forward when you're talking about form factor, packing all this technology in just a pair of glasses, and 4 step back to the beginning, the cell phone VR time with the horrible VR experience to me. So there are no use cases where the Vive Flow will excel. That's my opinion. So if you are thinking about buying the Vive Flow, I can honestly tell you, you are making the biggest mistake guys. The Oculus Go can do a way better job. So Oculus Quest 2 will destroy the Vive Flow. So get yourself to Oculus Quest, first one or the second one for that money. So there you have it guys. That's all I have for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of topic, consider subscribing, and see you guys next week.